Hi, my name is Sudeep Pandey. I am from Rampur Mansa, Ghazipur, Uttar Pradesh. I passed B.C.A. In 2022 from Technical Education and Research Institute. Then after, one of my friends suggested me about the Evision. Then I joined Evision for improving my skills in technically. Uh, then I joined the Evision and improved my IT skills. Then after I joined Cybix, uh, the package in Cybix is 2.6 LPA. Evision is a very good platform to improving your skills. Thank you Evision for supporting me. It is a very good platform to change from non-IT to IT department. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.